Hey, yo, Tyrell. Fuck the photo. We're filming this shit, man.
Security? That's a fat-ass motherfucker, but...
Inside of your shirt, you can use a jacket. I've used this in a bunch of different ways, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in the workflow section. All right, so now let's go over all
Thinking, bro. Oh, shit. State Patrol! Hell no! What the fuck is they doing?
This just in. A giant robot has landed downtown.
They got an airport around? I'm looking at it. Is the airport around?
Hey, guys. This is just my workout stuff.
We know you're the Green Hulk.
Everyone else.
It's bananas.
You're still wearing your mask, dude.
If you have a secret identity, you need to keep it secret.
No, like they ain't coming this way. That motherfucker coming this way. There's no airport. No, it's the Air Force. Come on, direction.
Oh, it's telling you, man.
Yeah, I'm on that bridge.
In a quarter mile, turn right on the south.
What the fuck is they doing? That's some Memphis shit for real.
Going too slow forward.
They tell me that it's easy to quit. Funny coming from someone that's not dealing with it. Wait, I'm getting a call from my dealer again. Tell me these are the strong ones.
Yeah, cause somebody was like, oh, if he do get fired, he got $1 billion to fall back on. I'm like, I'm trying to figure out who is this guy. And then I looked at the motherfucker. He can't even get on damn hump. His damn Honda so low. It's over with. Look at that tank. Yeah, that tank.
Sound on with your screen off and listen uninterrupted. Try YouTube Premium on us.
To create with intent, ideate with focus, share with trust.
You need a ride? Where you headed?
You know where Camelot Court is?
Who?
Camelot Court.
Nah, you gotta tell me something else that's close.
Okay. It's off of New Franklin, beside of Happy Star.
Okay.
Hey, lady, seat back?
Yeah. You got New Franklin?
Yeah. This way.
How long you been walking?
Just like down there past the fort off of Young's View. Man, my nigga been gone for 2 days, right?
Yeah.
He pulled his phone out and because he been with a bitch that got me locked up. He been fucking with her. So he come home last night. Didn't have his phone there. We slept most of the day. And he turned around and had his phone on. And he texted me from it after I had chopped his ass off. I said, if you ain't got nothing to hide, let me see that phone. So I already knew what was going on. So I go take a shower and shit and say I'm about to leave. Lay down for a few minutes. Then got up. And his phone had put the bed on. I put the coat in and I look at it. And I was right on what the fuck I thought. I told the nigga, I said, pack this shit and get the fuck up out of here, bro. Like, real talk. I had to leave because I about lost it on his ass. I punched his ass in his face twice. I was so mad, bro. I about lost it. And I know me. And I know when I black out, I'm not going to stop.
Right. To the right, right?
Yeah. Boy, he a pussy ass nigga, boy. Swear to God.
How long y'all been together?
5 years. Ooh. Boy, he asked me to marry him when I got out. He was engaged Well, I took that ring off and I said, bitch, this shit don't mean nothing to me. I said, cause the damn show didn't mean nothing to you when you put it on my fucking finger. Right here.
Okay.
Beside this car, beside the place. I'm so mad about it. Oh, I swear to God. No, over here. You gotta go that way. My fault. But police stopped me. Right there across the street from me. Through the Turkey way. Boy, I'm so mad, boy. He's so fucking stupid. He don't. He think I'm stupid. I can't do that no more.
They got kids?
No, I've been on 5 years that I had miscarriage. It's fine, but I'm so done with this shit. I be damn body developed. Yeah. All the way down. See, you can run up all the time. I run off, be out there, cheat on you though. I don't dare. Go around.
Why you don't cheat? If you know he
Oh, I know he is now. That's all I need to know. I'm gonna show him how the fuck it is to cheat. How to cheat. He just don't know how stupid he is. Motherfucker, you had it good. For real. You gonna turn left. I'm at the first house on the left.
You had a long walk.
Yeah. Right here. You let me out. I wanna know who's here. In a blue car. Oh, do it again. Appreciate it.
No problem. Oh, God damn. Dumbass. Hell no. Damn. He was not paying attention. I know he ain't got this shit in the fucking road. Man, come on now. Damn. Bro, hit your ass, you woman.
In these streets, in my own forget where I be strapped when I be sleep. I be down.
Oh, ambulance. Well, now you got a call or we won't go?
You in traffic?
Huh?
You're in traffic.
Yeah. Damn. The fucking bitches to goddamn today. You gonna preach and play or you just gonna play? So I go past you. Sorry. My vehicle not gonna stink like that. Now you got Hispanic cleaning yard. Boy, she don't get her ass on the other side of that goddamn road.